Welcome to another episode of our Midwest Garden Pros series. Today we're in our dry shade garden in St. Charles, talking about a foliage combination that is ideal for dry shade. Dry shade can be a tough area to landscape, especially when you are looking to add color. But we've got you covered with this blend of foliage colors and textures to add interest to your shady spot. Hosta halcyon is a medium-sized hosta with heart-shaped blue-green leaves that provide a nice color contrast with other foliage colors. It can be used under trees and shrubs as it loves full shade and maintains a neat habit roughly 18 inches tall and slightly wider. It contrasts well with heuchera caramel, a gold to amber peach colored heuchera. It has velvety scalloped leaves that provide texture and light pink flowers that bloom June through August. Fall foliage color is an intense salmon red, a color not often seen in shade gardens and landscapes. We also have Epimedium sulphureum and Pulmonary raspberry splash here, which are spring bloomers but add texture all year round. Epimedium sulphureum, or bicolor barren wort, is a slow-growing, delicate ground cover with heart-shaped leaves and yellow flowers. It is tolerant of drier condition and works well in shade to part sun. Even after the flowers have gone, the bright green foliage forms spreading mounds about a foot high that provide color and interest. Last, we have Pulmonary raspberry splash, with its silvery, fuzzy leaves and raspberry-colored flowers. The flowers open pinkish red and turn more blue as they age. After the flowers, the silver splotched leaves provide an interesting color and texture, which contrasts well to the smooth leaves of the heuchera and the epimedium. There you have it, color and texture for dry shade. Give it a try in your hard-to-design areas and you won't be disappointed.